Hi guys. So I just got back from school. I got this bike last night from my friend Caleb, and as I was riding it to my house and out front for a little bit at night, rides really nice. So the frame is a premium 3-ring. Yeah, you can see this says premium right here. Let me flip my screen first so I can see. Yeah, it says premium. Yeah. So yeah, things I changed out on it and what I did to it so far was I put the seat up a little bit just so I could sit down and ride. It's not too high for me not to do like stuff, I guess. I don't know. No, I'm not gonna list anything specific, but alright, I'm gonna go through some of the parts if I can list them. The grips are premium grips, I guess. They look like the same tread pattern as the Refuse Resist, so I guess they're called Refuse Resist grips. I don't know. Diatech brake lever. Not sure what cable. Not sure what bars. I think they're 825 tall. Premium stem. I have I think it's an Eastern headset, I guess. There's a carbon spacer, I think, or maybe it's carbon wrap. Probably carbon spacer though, so it's pretty cool. Again, premium 3-ring frame, 27.5 top tube, I think it is. Not exactly sure what forks. Animal GLH tire, 225, 110 psi. Proper front wheel, which is a proper front hub and rim. Spokes I think are Primo. Over to the middle I have integral pedals, which I had Primo tenderizer metal pedals, the unsealed ones. They were white, but yeah, I didn't really want to run those for a while, I guess, so I just decided to run plastic pedals. Okay, so not sure what cranks, but they take left-hand drive, so it's pretty cool. And there's a little drive bolt. I got Shadow Chain, half-link, interlock V2, premium sprocket 28 tooth. Fit seat with the cover here torn out. I guess it makes it a bit easier for the bolt, I guess. Not sure what seat post. Seat clamp, I think it says Mosh. I think it says Mosh or something. I don't know, there's writing up there. I'm not sure what though. Odyssey P-Light tire in the back, 2.1. Fit wheel in the back with the A-Nation black sheep brim, double wall. And here's a hub sound, I guess. Yeah. Hold on. I had to pause the camera for a bit. The camera. So anyway, on the brake mechanism over here, I guess, yeah, that is a Tektro. I got a premium cable strap here, cable holder thing, and overall, it's got a good weight to it. I might get pegs for it, I don't know, but yeah, it's a nice bike. And thanks for watching. Now I'm gonna go turn this camera off. Okay.